So live your life. You steady chasing that pepper, just live your life.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Mexican street corn. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, I have some Mexican street corn, you guys. When I tell y'all this is so good, I'm gonna let you get a close look on that. Uh-oh, don't you slide, Lime. Mexican street corn, you guys. If y'all hear that noise in the background, they are tearing a building down behind me. So I apologize for the noise in the background, but we're about to dive into this Mexican street corn, you guys. I already got lime on here, but I'm gonna squeeze some more in there. And you can actually eat this hot or cold. This is still warm because I just made it, but you can let it chill in the refrigerator for probably about 20 minutes or so before you eat it, and it still will be good. But this is bomb, y'all. You can make it a little bit more spicy. Hey, that lime juice and the jalapeno peppers is. But yeah, to make it a little bit more spicy, you probably can add some Cajun seasoning or something like that in there, but I just have the smoked paprika and jalapeno peppers. All right, you guys, this is what I'm going to be using to make the Mexican street corn. I have some black pepper, some mayo, corn, I have salt, Parmesan cheese, I have smoked paprika, I have a red pepper, I have some lime, jalapeno, and some cilantro, you guys. And along with that, I am going to be making me an Impossible burger. So I have my keto bread, and I have my Impossible patties, you guys. All right, you guys, I got everything chopped up. I have cilantro, some jalapenos, red pepper, onion, and then I have the lime. And I am going to cook this in the microwave. It's steamable. I'm gonna cook it in the microwave first, and then I'm gonna cook it on the grill. All right, you guys, I got the grill on. I already sprayed it with the cooking spray. You can use any cooking spray, but I'm using coconut oil. And the corn is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the microwave. As soon as this gets hot enough, I'm gonna go ahead and place the corn in there and let it grill for a few minutes, probably about 3 minutes or so, until it has the grill marks on it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the corn in there. Actually, I'm gonna have to turn this down. It doesn't take this grill long at all to heat up like this. Lord. All right, so now I'm gonna add the corn in there. All right, you guys, this is almost ready. So about 3 minutes or so. You just want to get like that, the grill marks, and get a little char to it. So this is ready. I'm going to remove this from the grill and place it in a large bowl, which is this bowl right here. Sorry for the shaking of the camera, you guys. And I'm gonna add an extra step to this. I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, but I have some leftover tofu from yesterday that I put on the grill, and I didn't eat it all, so I am going to heat that up in this grill. yesterday I used a charcoal filler for the tofu. So now I just, I crumbled the tofu up, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook in here as well. So once I get that done, you guys, I'll be back. All right, now I'm gonna add in the tofu. Like I said, this was already cooked from yesterday, so I'm actually just warming it back up. It already has the grill taste to it, that char taste. And I'm only gonna use a little bit of that. And this is actually good by itself. Grilled tofu, you guys, you season it well. Oh my God. All I'm doing with the tofu is heating it up, you guys. It doesn't need to be cooked anymore. I'm just warming it back up. Right, y'all, this is ready. Like I said, I was just warming it up. It doesn't take that long to warm up tofu. Already cooked from yesterday. So now I am going to begin to make the street corn. Alright, you guys, now we're gonna go ahead and start the street corn. We're gonna add in some red peppers, I'm sorry. Some jalapeños, some cilantro. Add all of that in there, and all the jalapeños in there. Add in some onions. I have some lime. I do have a lemon squeezer, but it's somewhere. It's pushed back somewhere. Can't find it. I'm gonna squeeze a whole lime in there and get all of that juice out of there, y'all. Probably do need the lemon squeezer, because this one is kind of hard. But I'll get it out of there, y'all. In 1 second. I got you. There we go. There we go. Come on out of there. All right, got that in there. Oh crap, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm gonna stir this up. Now I'm gonna add in the seasonings. Pepper. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little salt. Smoked paprika. Parmesan cheese. And use all of that. Go ahead and give this a mix. And then I'm going to add in the mayo. Now I'm going to add in that good old tofu that I told you guys about. I'm only going to add a little bit of that in there. And there you have it, guys.